Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to convert a typical dimension that SOLIDWORKS gives you when you're creating a drawing into a basic dimension that is used in Gd&T. So what I have here is just a basic block shape, and then I've made a drawing of it. And then in here, as you can see, if I go and dimension this side, for example, it dimensions it in this format, which is not a basic dimension in Gd&T. So what you can do is you can either click on this on either of the dimensions that you want to convert into basic dimension, and then you come here under tolerance/precision, and then you change none to basic, and then as you can see now, there is the dimension is converted into a basic dimension. If you guys found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.